What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the Bordeaux colorway. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Hefflux. Hefflux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell ETPU insoles, which essentially is the same material used for Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below, and you'll see they sell 4 different insole options. So depending on the type of insole density and cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of winter boots or for sneakers, you're gonna find there's something for everybody. So I've been a paying customer of Hefflux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They truly do add a ton of comfort to my shoes. So if you guys want to try them out and save 15% off your entire purchase, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout. So back to the shoes, this is the latest Air Jordan 1 High to drop, and they released on November 20th for $170 US or $230 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Bordeaux, metallic silver, and white, and I was able to grab these over at the Closet Inc., which is my go-to sneaker spot for Air Jordan and Nike shoes. So the Closet Inc. is an independently run boutique located right here in Southern Ontario, and they have a ton of sales going on right now for Black Friday, so I'll also link their website down below, so be sure to check them out and support the independent shops. So these Air Jordan 1s, honestly, it's a beautiful colorway, and I think a lot of people are sleeping on this pair. This is constructed in your classic Air Jordan 1 High construction, and as we dive into the details, you see that the base layer of this shoe, this is constructed using a very soft tumbled white colored leather. We have this perforated toe box, and then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have an even softer Bordeaux or wine or burgundy colored leather, which also has this very soft tumbled finish to it. This Bordeaux colored leather covers the eyelets of the shoe, and then on the mid panel of both sides of the sneaker, we have more of that very tumble white colored leather. Overlaid on top, we have this metallic silver colored swoosh, and then covering the side wings of the shoe, we have more of that Bordeaux colored leather, and then stitched down, we have the Air Jordan Wings logo, which is done in this jeweled finish. Surrounding the top portion of the ankle collar area, we have more of that white colored leather, and then this Bordeaux colored leather wraps around the back heel of the shoe. For the laces, so these come with 2 different pairs of laces. I prefer the white flat laces, but they also give you a secondary pair of Bordeaux colored laces as well. Underneath this, we have your traditional white colored nylon tongue, and at the very top, we have this Nike Air tag done in a combination of Bordeaux and white. For the insoles, these come with their standard foam line insole. It's lined with this white colored fabric on the top, and stamped on the heel, we have Nike Air branding. So the upper of these shoes sits atop this full-length rubber cup sole, and encapsulated within this midsole but not visible to the eye, there is Nike Air technology underneath the heel. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Air Jordan 1 outsole. So this is entirely constructed out of this Bordeaux or dark burgundy or maroon colored rubber, and we have the circular pivot point on the forefoot, along with Nike branding right in the center. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Bordeaux Air Jordan 1s. And for those wondering how these fit, to me these fit like most of my other Air Jordan 1s, so for most people that means you can stick true to size no problems. So whatever size you normally wear for the Air Jordan 1, I'd stick with that same size, and I feel like unless you have really wide feet where you'd need to go up a half size, everyone else I feel true to size should be okay. Next up, in terms of comfort, so these feel pretty much like all my other Air Jordan 1s, so they're going to feel pretty flat, low to the ground and stable, and there's not too much from a step-in comfort perspective other than that foam line insole. However, for just an everyday casual use shoe, they're going to be perfectly fine. Just don't expect anything too cushioned or too soft underfoot. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, this is where the shoe really impressed me. So I was honestly shocked to see how good quality the leather was when I opened these out of the box. And as far as recent Air Jordan 1 High pickups, I think this one has the best quality materials of the bunch. So like I said from the beginning, both this white colored leather and the Bordeaux colored leather, it feels super soft and super tumbled to the touch. And also in terms of the craftsmanship and build on this pair, I really had no issues with my pair at all. So all in all, a very impressive job from Nike. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. It's honestly pretty surprising to see how low the prices are on the secondary market for this pair. And I'm not complaining, that means whoever actually wants this pair to wear, you're pretty much able to grab these for retail or just over retail. and that's never a bad thing. I think part of the reason why this shoe is getting overshadowed is because the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 1s are set to release soon, and the colorway for that shoe is kind of similar to this one, and with that one being a more hyped collab, obviously this one would take a step back. But honestly, both colorways are really beautiful in their own way, and I'm super happy to add this pair to my collection as well. And don't quote me on this, but I would not be surprised if, say, 3-4 years down the road, the prices for this pair also shoot up through the roof, similar to the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these Bordeaux Air Jordan 1s. For those watching, did you guys manage to grab these for retail? Did you take an L, or did you just pass altogether? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at sgo8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.